Hi, our team name is Calculus Lads, and this is our program we made for Hackathon called Differentiation Calculator. This was made for teachers that are teaching at maths and students that are learning at maths, and this program aims to help people differentiate polynomials up to cubic equations. So this code is efficient because of several different components, and the first is the while. This sets up the loop so that users can differentiate the code as many times as they want or quit the code entirely. The second component is the break, which breaks the code from the loop or ends the code entirely, and these breaks will end the code, while this break in particular will quit the code entirely and kill the program. Uh, the next thing we have used is input. We used input so that the user is prompted to input coefficients for each unknown so that we can form the equation. And so as you can see over here, we ask for what the coefficient of x squared is, and so the user will input a numerical value. But we also have used the input function for making decisions. For example, we have, is this your equation, y or n? And so the user can put y for yes, this is my equation, or n for no, this is not my equation. And then we can, if it's no, then we can have the re-enter my equation, and if it's yes, then we continue to differentiate. But the problem that arises from input is that if we prompt the user for a numerical value and the user inputs a word, then the program will crash and return traceback error. So how we fixed this was by using value error. And what this does is, if the user did not return the desired value, then it will print something like this: please enter a number in digits, not words, and then go back to the original question. Now, one of our code specialties is that this program can differentiate equations which have coefficients which are decimal values, and then it returns the answers to 2 decimal places. And how it does this is through the float function, and that can be seen over here. So what this does is it asks for the coefficient as a float, a decimal value, and then we use the round function over here to round it to 2 decimal places. And we use the string function over here to make sure that it prints everything out as each individual term properly, because when we remove the string, it does not work at all. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, before we go run the code, there's one more thing, and it's that when we ask for yes or no over here, we always do the dot upper. So even if they input a lowercase y or a lowercase n, everything will still work. So let's run the code. Okay, so first it will give general information on the code, what it does and how to use it. And so it asks for a coefficient, so let me just input 5, okay, negative 5.678, like that. So let's put 0.4. Yep. And a constant 6, and it will return your equation, and you can say yes, this is my equation, and it will differentiate it. We can continue, and then after it differentiates the equation, it will ask if you want to continue or quit. And in this case, I'm just gonna do this and see what happens. It says, please enter either C or Q to indicate your choice. So we do this again. Let's press C to continue, and let's do 5, 5, 5, 5, and then N. N, yeah, okay. And then it'll say, alright, please re-enter your equation. So we do it again. So 6, 7, 8, 9. This time you'll go Y, and it will differentiate. So, and it'll return your equation first. It will ask if that is the equation you want to differentiate, and then it differentiates it and it returns the answer. And then it says, would you like to continue or quit? Please type C to continue, and we just type Q to quit. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video has cleared up what this code does and how it works. Thank you.